This video is to help us create a triangle and its reflection using Excel. This is what we've done in class, and it follows through the 29-step instruction that you've been given out. So as soon as you've opened up Excel and you choose a blank workbook, then this is what you'll be left with. We can then choose any cell we wish, but for the purposes of the video, if you want to follow through, then choose this cell, which is C4. From here, we're going to enter in the transformation matrix. We found that earlier, and it is 1, 0, 0, minus 1. We then skip a column, and we move over and start here in F4. And from F4, we're going to add in all our coordinates from our triangle. Remember, the coordinates must read vertically with the y value below the x value. And from having drawn them previously, we found those coordinates to be the following. We have 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, and finally we have to do 1, 1 again, so that Excel will create the triangle for us. So the coordinates from the triangle were 1, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 1. However, we need that 1, 1 connected back up so that Excel will draw a triangle for us. We're then going to skip a column and highlight K4. From K4, we now go to the function bar, and in here we type equal sign, then mmult, that's M, M-U-L-T, and we open up a bracket. We then highlight the transformation matrix and put in a comma, then come across and highlight your triangle coordinates, and finish off by closing that bracket. At this stage, you press enter, and that'll put a value here in the K4. We then need to extend this out into a 2x4 matrix, so it has to come across 4, down there 2. Now you've got to press F2. After pressing F2, you hold down Control, Shift, press enter, and that'll give you a new set of coordinates for your reflected triangle. We now want to graph what we've done, or get a picture of it. So what we want to do is, first of all, highlight our original triangle coordinates. Come up and choose Insert. From Insert, you want to go to Charts, and it's the Insert Scatter or the XY. Choose it, and choose that one with the points already in it. We're just going to shift that slightly out of the road here so that we can see our other coordinates, because what we want to do now is draw the reflection in here. In order to do that, you go to Chart Title and right click on that. You should then find Select Data. Once you're in here, you choose Add. Now, we go down to where it says Series X Values and highlight on there. And what you want to put on here is your X values from your reflected triangle. That's your top line. That's the first row here. So we're going to highlight those and put them on. We want to come down here to Series Y Values. Choose that. But remember to delete those parentheses and that one. From there, we want to put on our Y values, which is the bottom line. And click OK. And OK again. Now we'll see that we have a chart title here that needs filled in. We'll go and do that in 1 second. But we have our original triangle, and now we've also got it reflected in the x-axis. We'll now just come back to where it says chart title. We'll delete that out. We'll give it its proper name, which is a reflection in the x-axis. From here we just choose File and go to Print. Then print out your work and sit back and relax. Thanks.